Now let's learn about the breadth first search algorithm. Consider the graph of 5 vertices here 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have the 5 vertices here. The traversal mean visiting all nodes of graph. Breadth first traversal or breadth first search is a recursive algorithm for searching all the vertices of a graph or a tree data structure. It's the same mission, the same goal of the previously created the previous search algorithm that we have learned about, the DFS. It is visiting all the node, but here we have the different concept. Okay, so we have the visited nodes, the standard BFS, breadth first algorithm, search algorithm, implementation put each vertex of the graph into one of the two categories, the visited and non-visited. The purpose of algorithm is to mark each vertex as visited while avoiding the cycles. And the algorithm works as follows. Start by putting any one of the graph's vertices at the back of the queue. And then take the front item of the queue and add it to the visited list. Then create a list of that vertex's adjacent nodes. Add the ones which are not in the visited list to the back of the queue and keep repeating these steps until the queue is empty. The graph must or might have two different disconnected parts, so to make sure that we cover every vertex, we can also run the BFS algorithm on every node. Okay, so let's take an example here. We have 0. We start from 0 if we are following the numerical value 0. The node is the visited node is at the vertex. Okay, so the vertex or the starting point is always added directly and automatically to the visited nodes. Then from 0 we can go to 1. At the same level we can go to 2, and in the same level we can go to 3. So this is the breadth first search algorithm. We move to 0, the first vertex, and from this vertex, what are the possibilities to go and make one step forward, not moving like to 4 or to any other elements. So we are going, or we can go to 0. If we are standing on 0, so we can go to 1, 2, and 3. These are put directly in a numerical order, or in the chronological order, or in the alphabetical order. This depends on the data type that you are dealing with. Okay? Since we have finished 0, we move now to 1. Then 1, we cannot go to anywhere from it. We can also go to 2. Just only one step to 2. 2 is visited, so we can put it. From 1 we go to 2. 2, we can go to any nodes. We can go to 0, we can go to 1, and we can go to 4. 0 and 1 have been added previously and visited, so we are going to add 4 to this example and this visited nodes. Okay, so this is the breadth first search algorithm that we are going to implement it into C. Let's take another example in the next videos. So let me show you the codes later on, and we are going to implement it into the exercise number 90 in Java. So this is the breadth first search algorithm, BFS. I hope you understand it. It's very simple. Just going from the node that you are, and we make one step, one visit. Okay, so we can make here one visit, not 2 visits like 0, 2, and 2, 4. We just go one visit, one link. Okay,